In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Meet Now session using Microsoft Teams Essentials. This is a fantastic way to quickly gather your team for an impromptu meeting, whether it's to brainstorm ideas, check in on a project, or simply collaborate in real time. This feature allows you to connect with your team instantly. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start your meeting without any hassle. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. You can access Teams through your web browser by going to the official Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the sign-in option and enter your login credentials, including the email and password associated with your account. If you run into any issues signing in, double-check your input details or reset your password if necessary. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard or home screen of the application. Here you'll see a variety of options and features available to you. For now, focus on locating the group chat section. This is where you can communicate with team members or other participants you'd like to invite to the meeting. After opening the group chat, look toward the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see the Meet Now button. Clicking this button is the key to starting your meeting. It's designed to be user-friendly and allows quick access, so as soon as you click it, a new meeting session will begin instantly. This is perfect for situations where scheduling a meeting in advance isn't feasible or when you want to discuss something immediately with your team. At this point, most of the setup is done. The next step is inviting the right participants. Anyone already in your group chat can join the meeting immediately. If you want to include additional team members, you can share the meeting link generated when the session starts. This link can be copied and sent via email, messaging apps, or any communication method your team commonly uses. And that's it. Meet Now in Microsoft Teams. Essentials makes team collaboration seamless by giving you an instant space for discussion and interaction, whether you're reviewing projects, brainstorming new ideas, or just catching up with your team. Meet Now simplifies the process and keeps everyone connected efficiently. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you're now ready to host your own meetings on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.